Doctor, I am suffering from migraine. Is there any treatment for this? This is the question which has to be faced by most of the doctors in their daily practice. There are people who self-diagnose their headache as migraine from the experiences of their relatives, neighborhood or through Google search. According to modern medicine, the reason for migraine is unexplained or idiopathic. But in Ayurveda, in our ancient texts, which is still from 300 to 500 BC, has well narrated the Nidana, that means the causative factor, Purva Rupa, that means the preceding symptoms, and the Rupa or Lakshana, that means the actual symptoms, and the varied classification according to the pathophysiology and the treatments in very detail. I mean, the migraines of different types is not of an unknown origin as per Ayurveda. In India, the age standardized 1 year prevalence of migraine was 25.2%, and this prevalence was higher in females than males. And the reason is that females are more vulnerable to emotional disturbances and hormonal changes. People with unexplained anxiety and stress will have vascular headache, and most of the times it will misdiagnosed as migraine. Like that, we also observed many cases, especially these IT people who are continuously using these LED gadgets and all, will definitely have a eye strain and neurological headache that also misdiagnosed with migraine. Unless if you are able to elucidate the causative factor, the positive outcome in the treatment of migraine will be a question. Modern medicine easily call it as idiopathic or unexplained origin. But the actual fact is that there are multiple contributory factors, and it includes certain food, hormonal changes, climatic changes, stress, use of caffeine, prolonged use of some medications, strong odor, etc. Any food which causes allergy or inflammation to the body but without any manifestation, biotoxins may lead to nerve inflammation. And it includes the food items like genetically modified food items like KFC meat, then use of reused oil, refined food, salt fried food like namkeens and all, then etc. Excess use of garam masala, etc. Like that, some people complain that they are getting severe pain after facing the sun. Here, optic nerve is the point of trigger. Then in case of some ladies, they always complain that during menstruation they are getting severe pain, and here the hormonal imbalance is the point of trigger. Like that, some person will tell that after hearing any sound and all, they are getting severe pain, and here the auditory nerve is the point of trigger. Then the pain which happens due to the prolonged use of medications, here actually the functional damage of the organ is happening. Ayurveda classifies Shirasthoda into 11, and they are Vadaja, Pittaja, Kaphaja, Sannipatika, Rektaja, Kshayaja, Krimija. Krimija means that it occurs due to the pathogens. Then Suryavarta, Shangaga, Anantavada and Ardhava Bedaka. And then the, migraine have some close relationship with the conditions like Suryavarta, Shangaga and Ardhava Bedaka. So Suryavarta means that here the pain starts along with the sun rays, and the pain will be usually mild in nature, and its intensity will increase according to the intensity and movement of the sun, and by afternoon the pain will get subside. Then coming to Ardhava Bedaka, here there will be severe pain on one side of head, and the intensity, frequency and duration of the pain will be variable. And here finally coming into Shangaga, there will be intense pain on the temporal region. Coming to treatment in Ayurveda, proper treatment should be given to rule out the causative factor, and if ahara or food is the contributory factor, there should be no compromise on the diet. That means about the food items which I already mentioned like salt fried food, refined food, use of reused oil, etc., and follow a healthy diet. And in case the pain which aggravates due to hormonal imbalance, that means during this menstruation, here the treatment procedure like Takradara, that means pouring the medicated buttermilk over the forehead, will be very effective. Like that, some people will have severe pain after hearing loud voice and all. So in these cases, the treatment procedure like Karnapuram, that means instilling medicated drops into ear for a specific time, will be very effective. In the case like pain getting increasing after facing the sun and all, here actually the optic nerve is the point of trigger, and the treatment should be given for eyes, that the treatment procedures include, that means Netra Sega, Netra Dara, that means pouring the medicated liquids to the eye, like that. And in case the pain which aggravates due to the prolonged use of medications and all, here actually the functional abnormality of the organ is happening, and here the Panchakarma treatment procedures like Sadhyo Vamana means that to induce vomiting instantly, and Sadhyo Virejana means that to induce purgation instantly. And there is a chance of reoccurrence for this condition, so it's better to prevent its reoccurrence by going for Rasayana Kalpa or rejuvenating treatment. For example, in the case of IT people, they can't work without using these LED gadgets and all. So it's better they can go for a session of treatment once in 3 months to prevent its reoccurrence. And the main thing is that never ever self-diagnose your migraine headache, because the headache may be due to many other reasons. So it's better to consult a doctor and go for treatment. Then after correctly identifying the root cause and providing treatment, and by following a healthy lifestyle and diet, we can keep this disease into sleep mode.